Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Gather the required tools and safety gear before starting the removal. Bring a 10 mm wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic panel pry tool. Wear gloves and eye protection for safe handling. Park the NMAX V3 on a level surface and engage the side stand securely. Turn off the ignition and remove the key to prevent accidental starting. Locate the battery compartment under the seat and prepare to disconnect power. Keep a small container for screws and clips to avoid losing parts. Remove the seat by unlocking and lifting it straight up away from the body. Use a plastic pry tool to remove the two underseat panels carefully. Set removed panels and fasteners into your container for safekeeping. Before touching any wiring, disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10 mm wrench. Locate the Y-Connect module near the battery area, usually taped to the frame or secured with a bracket. Inspect the connector for a locking tab and note its orientation for reinstallation. Release the connector locking tab by lifting the small plastic clip with a fingernail. While supporting the plug, pull the connector straight out to avoid damaging pins. Remove any mounting screws with a Phillips screwdriver and a 10 mm wrench for brackets. Cut or remove zip ties securing the module, keeping care for surrounding wires. Extract the Y-Connect module and place it into an anti-static bag or clean container. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the scooter to verify all electrical systems operate normally. Replace panels and seat, then confirm no warning lights remain active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.